a laptop, high smartphone, and zero investment. Just a few clicks and you could earn your first $5 online. This is not a story, it's real, and most people have no idea. It's time to start the online journey. Sites like Swipebucks, Inbox Dollars, and Wisely pay you just for sharing your opinion. Complete 5 to 6 short surveys in 15 minutes, and your $5 is ready. Microtasks on Amazon, Amtrak, or Clickworkers. Tag images, transcribe short audios, each task with a few cents. But when you are in flow, the money adds up fast. Testing apps and websites. Your voice, your feedback, that's what they are paying for. Platforms like user testing and Try My UI pay $5 to $10 per test. Offer microservices on Fiverr or Upwork. No skills, no problem. Use free tools too. First, generate AI art. Second, write short bios. Third, translate small text. Each gig can earn you $5 or more. You might be thinking, just $5? But it's more than money. It's proof that you can earn online without depending on anyone. Once $5 hits your account, $50 and $500 are just a matter of time. Bonus tip: stack 2 to 3 of these methods together. More tasks, faster money. Which method will you try first? Drop a comment. I read everyone. And if you have not subscribed yet, do it now, because in the next video, we will show you how to earn your first $50 online. Thanks for watching, and remember, the internet is full of opportunities. All you have to do is take the first step.